So in this video, we're going to show you how to install the NottaBolt mechanism onto the tie button pin. The mechanism consists of the bushing, bolt knob, high ball or low ball, and the stem. First thing you do is install the bushing into the body. Put your clip on there, line it up with the slot that's in the end of that barrel. If you're using a machine clip, it would go in this way with the adapter section towards the top, towards the mechanism. So take your clip, you'll hear it snap in, keep that lined up, run that down as far as you can by hand. If you've got a pair of the Nipix pliers and or the carbon fiber pliers, when you put those guys on there, make sure they're all the way down almost to the bottom of that mechanism. What that will do is, if you're up here, you're going to crush the mechanism. So you want to make sure that if you're using pliers that you're down close to the bottom. When we build them here at the shop, we use this 5C collet closer that has a plastic bushing in there that keeps us from scratching the body. So we'll take our pliers, we'll put all the way down close to the bottom, snug that up. Take your plunger, stick it in there, line the threaded hole up with the slot. Take your bolt knob, put it in there, make sure it's lined up, snug it down, and you're good to go.